He follow us for back, everything. We get men when take the runner. This stupid guy. No. Go and leave him first. Go and leave him first. Go and leave him first.
Away, my country people, it don't happen again, it don't bust oh. No be smart, no things they happen, oh my people. Make una carry una jokote sit down, come listen to this one, oh. No be small matter, oh. No be smart things they happen. Daddy Gios, I don't know what it can they happen to some African pastor. I don't really know what it they happen, honestly, oh my people. This man of God, so one they see for my stream here when they brutalize, they touchlize my people. He go kukere another man wife will not be smart, you know. Now so that take catch am for on top of kpkus, my people. No be smart, you know. The boys when they there, the area boys, they come like this man of God. They give van both. This man of God, if you want be RIP, some parts come they beg, some parts people come they beg, say make una leave this man of God. No be smart, you know. Now in plate number so no na they see for there, my people. No be smart. I say wetin come they happen? Wetin come they happen? Pastors, wetin come they stop? What is this? Wetin come dey happen, honestly? I don't know wetin dey happen. Oh, another man wife na that the Gio pastor go kukere, they give am tie. Now so they take catch am. I will say they not catch am now. Now so maybe not be only this woman so now this pastor dey kukere. He dey kukere all his members, even the married ones. He dey kukere all of them. He dey give them tie, even monkey style. He dey give all of them like that. Not be smart things they happen, my people. Things they happen. May we be careful. May we watch where we for the worship, because now as church come be, I not gonna understand again. Things they happen. Say this man of God now. I will say they not catch this man of God now. Tomorrow you go still come chop again. Come chop, they clean the plates. They wash another man's plate. Pastor, why? Why, Apostle, why not they do this thing? Why not they do this thing? Okay, if you never marry, why you not go marry? Why you they chop another man's own? But you they climb altar every day. They preach the word of God. They open verse of Bible, they read. Why you they do like this? When you know say this thing, say na waiting that they, waiting not good. I don't want to use that word here. Waiting not good, but they go they climb another man thing, another man plate. Now they go they wash. Man of God, not be ordinary person, no. Man of God, now you go they bukere another man wife. This life you get as a be, you get as a be honestly. Things don't spoil. Things not be like as it be before. They don't turn church to another thing. Not be small thing. Church before. It not be like this, so but now I don't know what it can happen. Whether na end time now we can't day. I not can really know. Now different thing now we they see. Now we they across on the social media. Not be small thing. This pastor now, if I see the way when they take pity like this pastor, I go cover some parts. On I go pity for her for one side, but on I no pity her for one side because now another person thing now you go chop the lights. Now you go wash plates. Watch the down. I understand. I don't know what it can happen, honestly. If una see this man, if you want be RIP, if not be say some people can they apologize, they beg, say, make the liver. Maybe therefore give this pastor RIP finish. What can they happen? Man of God. Not be say you not fine, you fine. You they go they bukere another man plate. The washer when you know say the man don't pay right price put for the woman head, go they kpukere. In fact, all your members, all those pinos when they inside church, you don't kpukere all of them finish. But they carry Bible, they dress, they preach the word of God every day. My people may not come be say I too talk. Make una watch the full video.